So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to make territory management on Zoho CRM. First of all, you'll need to open any web browser on your computer and then search Zoho CRM. Now select the first website, log into your account right here, then click on this profile picture icon. Now select this Access Zoho CRM. Select this settings icon. Select territory management. Select this button called get started. So as you can see guys, a message has been popped up and it says that before starting territory management, we'll need to give them company details. So if you have already submitted your company details, then you can start making your territory management directly. And if you haven't, then you will need to click on this button right here called OK. And now after filling all of your company details right here, you'll need to select this save button, and after that you guys can also able to start making your territory management, which will help you to segregate your records based on your customer attributes. So that's how you guys do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos, and thanks for watching.